Welcome, stranger. My name is Gago, and today we are playing Juju Charles. So you are more than welcome to join me in this adventure that we are going to go today, and to find out what type of a horror game this is. Actually, I have been waiting for this game a while now, and this game just released. Okay, I'm gonna expect a lot of bugs and other bullshit, but we will experience those things together as a big happy family. Oh. By the way, I have slight arachnophobia, aka the fear of spiders, and this is a game about a spider train. Lovely.
Yes, sir. Welcome to Aranerum, the island where miners dig their own graves. Stay close. Charles isn't the only thing to fear around here.
But fuck. How do I? Okay. Oh, what the fuck? I just now realized. Where did you spawn in here? Holy fuck. So this is moving forwards. Oh fuck. Okay.
Yeah, baby. We're coming for you.
I guess this is brakes. And this.
Do you hear that? It's him.
Oh shit.
It's him. Get to the gun. Let him up. Let him up.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck.
Let the gun overheat.
That looks cool as fuck.
Taking enough damage. Get some headshots.
Thank you, Juju. Oh, he killed. Oh, shit. Eugene, you all right, buddy?
This isn't how
Oh
things
shit.
are supposed to end.
That looks like it hurt.
Still fight like
Oh shit, oh shit. Shit, it's a house. Hey, what's up? You are an odd fellow. Okay, so there should be a person. You good there, buddy?
I need my pickle!
No, you're not.
Pickles locked away inside my pickle cave.
That's not right to say. Hello, person that I don't remember the name of. This is the most weirdest lean ever. Hey, what's good, boys? The fuck kind of a shotgun is that? It's a double barrel. Not even like Sean off double barrel. It's just a double barrel with a sword stock. Oh. I'm actually liking this game so far. Hello, person with a really inconvenient double barrel shotgun. I will blow my horn for you a couple of times. Horn? Isn't it like a train whistle? Oh fuck. Oi, pickle it. Pick. Lock. Moments. Epic moment. Fitto. Pick. Lock. Moments. Epic moment. ¿Qué? Pick. Lock. Epic. Mon. Jess. Okay. That is a big jar of pickles. Just so much. Yeah, your pickles.
I thank you so very much for bringing me my pickle.
You're welcome.
You are my pickle hero.
Don't say that. Okay, that is not unsettling at all. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Fucking. Fuck you, Charlie. What? Hey, what's up, lady with a unnecessarily stupid double barrel shotgun? I don't know if that's intentional or was the one who made this game was like, haha, this would be funny because this would break your fucking wrist. What you're cooking, eh?
Well, hello, darling. I'm making a fresh stew with ingredients from my very own swamp. But I smell a carcass on the island in the swamp, and if you wait over there and bring it back for me, although you'll need to be wary of Barry, the swamp monster. Keep an eye out for...
Yeah, that's not terrifying at all. Personal space, Barry. Is Barry? 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 What are you doing under the water? Oh! This is not the Barry, the swamp monster. This is the Quack 3000 monster. Oh, fuck. Sorry, yeah, Barry, sorry, Barry, sorry. Sorry that I said that to you. Barry pins. You like jazz? The quack monster. Cool.
I made a little flamethrower as an addition to my spider train home defense plan, but as you nearly cooked myself alive in that shed as I was testing it. Shoot dang.
Why were you testing it in a shed?
Using the water tank to put out the fire. Pure genius. Woohoo!
Oh yeah, that's what I like to see. 1 picklock, 2. 1 picklock, 2 picklock, 3 picklock, 4 picklock, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Customized color. I can get a green train. Go away, Charles. What a distinguished gentleman. Don't worry, I'm just gonna read this before I come to you. The blue box, so it's somewhere. Oh fuck! Hey! Hey!
You're fast.
Oh fuck! Don't worry, I am fast. Hey! Hey! Fuck off! Hey! You bitch! I will shoot the shit out of you with my gun. You understand me? You little ow! You little fuckface. Come here, son of a bitch. Yeah, how you like it, huh? Knock knock. Sorry, I don't have a door. Ooh la la. I mean, hi.
All asked me to decide.
What? Oh damn! Why is there a lot of blood? Oh wait. Oh. Wait, the door's gonna explode. Oh Jesus! On the road again. Killing these spider trains on the road again. Feeling adventurous again.
The launcher is in complete working order.
Oh damn. Oh damn. But no, I'm not going to. Derailer. That's what your mom called me in your bed. What is this? A fucking Slender Man? Oh, I bet it's something like a Slenderman thing. Am I right? Yup. Yup. Take the paper! What the fuck? Where am I? Ayo, calm your tits. Calm your tits, boy. Calm your tits. Oh shit! Shut up, 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 shut up. Shut your ass. Ha! I got all, bitch! Where are you? Hey!
Trespassing! Hey!
Fuck you! Ouch! My god, that hurt. Oh my god. No, 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 no. Oh shit, I'm dead. 7. Because that's how you get. Red! Oh shit. Oh.
Get him!
Yeah, no! What the fuck?
Company! You better hold your fast!
Oh shit! Oh Jesus Christ! Charles, why? You are a bitch, Charles.
You just want to talk.
I wanted to talk. Yeah, right, bitch.
Step away from the shrine, stranger. You don't know what you're doing. Just put the egg down slowly and lay flat on the ground.
Yeah,
You'll
right.
hurt far too many people if you follow through with whatever you're planning.
Yeah.
No! No! You fool! You've doomed us all!
Oh shit. Oh, mama. Haha. Yeah, nope, 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 nope. I'm out of it. I'm out of it. Nope. Oh, damn. Oh, damn, boy. Run. Thrain. Go. Now we're fighting, motherfucker. What? Hell, Charles. Say on the Bob. Ah! Epic montage. Get wrecked, Charles. Get wrecked, Charlie. Oh, damn. No, that's gruesome. Gavin Eisenberg. Heisenberg. 9 out of 10. Would play again. It's a red egg. Oh, fuck. Oh. Oh, fuck. Oh, no. Oh, no. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. It would really help us out here. See you on the next one.